All right, boys and girls, today we're going to talk about arrays. First of all, we're going to start by talking about what an array is. An array is a set that shows equal groups in rows and columns. Well, let's review what a row is. A row goes side to side. These are ducks in a row. See how they're following each other? I like to tell my kids at school we row in a boat side to side. We don't go up and down, we go side to side. So rows go side to side. Columns go up and down. They go toward the sky. So they're like, you may have columns on your house. These are columns, I think, like columns at the White House. They're columns at your house. These are columns maybe in Greece or something. That's what it looks like to me. So those are an example of columns. They go up and down. Okay? So that's a good thing to remember while we're going over this. So we have columns up and down. Rows go side to side. Okay? So our first picture shows columns. We have 3 columns and 2 rows. Okay? So let's start by seeing how we do it. First, we start with a repeated addition. Okay? So I have 2 plus 2 plus 2. Well, where did that come from? 2 plus 2 plus 2. I added how many were in each of my columns. So there are 2 in each column, and there are 3 columns. So I did 2 3 times, and that is 2, 4, 6. My answer is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other way you could do it is 3 and 3. Where did that come from? Well, I see 3 and 3. Row. There are 3 in each row. So I added 3 and 3 because there are 2 rows with 3 in each. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Another way you could do it is multiplication. I know a lot of y'all are super excited about multiplication. 3 times 2. 3 times 2. Because there are 3 in the row and 2 in the column. So we multiply 3 times 2 and it's 6. Or you could do 2 in the column times 3 in the row. 2 times 3 is 6. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's do another example. Over here, we have 1, 2, 3 in a row. And let's see how many rows we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, okay? Let's see how many columns we have. 1, 2, 3 columns. How many are in each column? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we have 3 columns and 4 rows. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 represents the 3 columns, or the 3 in each row, and the 4 rows. So I added 3 4 times, and that equals 3, 6, 9, 12. Equals 12. Now we have 4 plus 4 plus 4. Where did that come from? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 in each column, and there's 3 columns. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. I added 4 3 times. Because we know 4 and 4 is 8, and 4 more is 12. I could do 4 times 1, 2, 3. That equals 12. Or I could do 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. And that equals 12. See? It's pretty easy, huh? Okay. Over here we have 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns. So this one's going to be super easy. And how many are in each? 1, 2, 3. So let's see. We add 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 more is 9. So we would just multiply 3 times 3. That's 9. Good job. Okay, down here we have 2 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So we would say 2 4 times for each row. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. Good job. So we have 2 columns and 4 in each column. So we do 4 and 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Great job. All right. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns and 1, 2, 3 rows. So we have we have 3 rows with 4 in each column. We have 3 rows and 4 columns, right? So we do 4 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you add 4 3 times because there's 4 in each row. And that equals 12 because 4 and 4 is 8 and 1 more 4 is 12. Or you would do 3 4 times because there's 3 in each column and there's 4 columns. So you do 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 and 3 is 6. 3 and 3 is 6. 6 and 6 is 12. So you would do 3 times 4 is 12, or 4 times 3 is 12. Okay? And then I did a big one down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns with 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Okay? So you could add 6 4 times because there's 6 in each. There are 4 rows with 6 in each row. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 and 12 is 24. Or you could add 4s 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4s. And that equals 24. So 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. So your challenge for tonight is to find or make an array at your house. Now let's see. What does Miss Colleen mean by that? She simply means, well, I could go take a picture of maybe my mom has a ice cube tray. That would be a example of an array. But I'm not going to give you any more examples that you can find around your house because you would have to go look for them and post a picture next to the slide where where I drew a little arrow for you. So you could also draw it. Could also draw one like I did. Or you can even make one out of an item that you find. I happen to have some of Maddie Grace's, my little girl's, magnetic letters. They don't even have to be the same letter. As long as they line up. I made an array. I have 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So I could do 2 5 times. So I would do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 equals 2 and 2 is 4. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. Plus 2 equals 10. Okay? Or I could have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2 times. We know that. Double 5 is 10. You can also say 5 times 2 equals 10. Or 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Now, I also happen to have a few gummy bears here. know how well they're going to stick. Now remember, it has to be equal groups. So I'm going to do an easy one this time. I could do 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And it would be the same, so I wouldn't have to write it again. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay? You can use Cheerios, you can use blocks, you can use Legos. Be as creative as you want. I want you to at least post 1 picture. More is better. Always better. So try not to use one that I used. Be creative. Use your imagination. And good luck. Great job, guys. Can't wait to see your work.